after 1 year hard working, together with the BU, our marketing department made such a very comprehensive and a very meaningful training material to our international sales and marketing colleagues, so that in the future you have a good weapon to fight in the market, to deliver the correct message to the customers. So first of all, I want to thanks to their dedication and contribution to make this happen. And why we decide to talk about this topic, the solution marketing? Because in the past, when we sell our products to the customers, we always compare the price, compare the parameters, compare the functions of the standalone machine. However, we all forget about the uniqueness of Mindry, which is we are the only company in this industry who can make such a comprehensive product solution. And eventually we make it more comprehensive. We built IT and AI on top of the device. So that's a very, very big selling point and also our advantage. If we ignore this, we will still have to struggling on the path that the competitors has set for us, which is, comparing the price, parameter, and the function. So we must find a different way to promote our uniqueness. So that's why I think this solution marketing is very critical to us. So let's move to the next slide. Why the solution marketing matters. So as I explained, Mindry has such a wonderful selling point. And in the industry, you can see that in last 2 decades, did you see any innovation for the product? No, because we just say the product has a faster processing speed with a bigger screen. That's it. But to Mindry, we can make a difference. Why? Because we have a very comprehensive product portfolio. Like I said, we can really solve the pain point of the customer by the solution selling. So let's take a look at our current status and the challenges. So I think everybody is very familiar with the impossible triangle that is mentioned by Mr. Wu, the president of Mindry. So nowadays, all the customers, all the healthcare providers, they face the same challenge, which is you cannot ensure the quality, cost, control, and efficiency together simultaneously. But through Mindry's total solution, we can make this happen. So the new innovation is the only way to solve this impossible triangle challenge. And we are ready to provide a solution to the customer from the traditional equipment provider. Another aspect is you can see that in the last couple of years, we have launched some more and more mature products, especially the premium products to the market, such as A9, such as the new V series, such as the D60. All those products, if you just talk about the standalone function and the standalone product feature, we already leading the industry. However, that's not enough. We make a comprehensive solution to give the customer a better answer to solve their challenges. So that's why the solution marketing is really the key to the future and the key to the our sales outcome. Another thing is, as you may know, that from 4 years ago, we have established the SK department. And in last 2 years, we also built the product line KA team. So all these internal team functions are approaching either the clinical department head or the hospital management head. So we can influence the customer demand through the top management. So in order to let you to understand better about the total PMS product solution, we must have a better quality material. So when you face the top management of the hospital, you can use that material to talk about the real challenge or pinpoint from the hospital management perspective. So I think this is why we have to renew our material and give the new concept to the market and let you to have a better weapon. So you can see that from the whole group level, our strategy also direction is device plus IT plus AI. So that will determine the future of MyDream business, right? How can we, elaborate the core clinical value of the single products? How can we make the better data integration? And eventually we will give the top management of a hospital a better clinical decision support outcome. So that's our target. So based on that, we have launched the new marketing value proposition of PMS product line, which is we called Triple E Plus. You can see this is like a hierarchy system. From the basement, you can see we care about the efficacy. So for the device level, we emphasize the specialization for each department. So you can see we have more and more solutions to cover the clinical scenario in each department. And the beneficiary is the patients. The second layer is efficiency, because we understand that right now the pain point of the clinicians are lack of manpower and resource. They are really busy and burn out every day. So through our IT solution, we can help to solve the efficiency problem and give them a better solution to make their job and life easier. To the hospital management, you can see the trend of today. More and more hospital managers are talking about how to build the smart hospital. So through these three layers, I think we all catch the eyes of their of different group of people, all the stakeholders. So I hope that you can remember the Triple E Plus, which is the value proposition of PMS. So I think everybody is very familiar with this picture. You can see almost every clinical scenario in the hospital or pre-hospital, we have the very mature solution. So before, I think we just talk about the concept. Now we want to make these solutions more visible and practical. So in the future, you can have the enough marketing material to prove to the customer that, hey, we have a better solution to solve your pain point in each clinical scenario. So here is a video to show the background. We made this new solution marketing training and some of the highlights. So please take a look at the video.
In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, patient needs are becoming increasingly complex. While a variety of medical devices have been introduced to address these needs, they often function in isolation. This fragmented approach adds unnecessary complexity and workload, to an already demanding clinical environment. Mandray is committed to solving this challenge. We've been working diligently to develop integrated solutions that seamlessly connect devices, data, and personnel, creating a unified, patient-centric system that enhances clinical efficacy, operational efficiency, and adaptability for future innovation. Our value-driven solutions are designed to foster a more compassionate care environment, one that meets the needs of both today's patients and tomorrow's healthcare demands. To share the promise of this solution, we're actively working on the following initiatives, delivering impactful solution materials, including presentations, brochures, and global success stories to showcase real-world value. Launching comprehensive training and knowledge-sharing programs to celebrate best practices and empower teams. Supporting digital and event marketing efforts with tailored content that resonates deeply with healthcare professionals. Together, we are transforming healthcare, one connected solution at a time.
Okay, that's it. So next, I will invite Jenny to give the detailed introduction about the solution marketing.